Hello everyone. Today's repair is going to be on this 2016 Mustang 5-liter here. You see right behind me, this is going to be on the left door. Pretty severe dent. Not a big dent, but a deep dent right on the body line. So let's get a better look at the damage. And there it is. And we got this dent removed. Okay. Here we are, fellas. That was a pretty nasty repair, but glad it's done. If I can assist you with some paintless dent removal in the West Tennessee area, please feel free to call me at 731-267-9708, or you can look me up on the web at kensdents.com.